Hi guys, how's life? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This day I'm going to show you how to write a good and polite donation letter. First of all, you have to write the date and the month when you write the letter. Here I'm writing July 12, 20 and 20. Second of all, you can write down the recipient details. As always, it is the complete name of the recipient, including his or her complete address. If it's possible, you can add the contact details. Just be sure that you mention the right name of the recipient so it makes your letter more personal and interactive. After writing down the recipient details, you can put the salutation with "Dear Mr. Johnson," "Dear Miss," "Dear Madam," or anything else. Just give a space between the recipient details and your salutations as well as the paragraph. Okay. After giving the salutation, we are going to the main part of the donation letter. Well, before talking about what you must tell or include in the mail letter, you should know that donation letter is a formal letter which is written by a person or organizations in order to get money for a job, social project, expenses, event, and many more. It can be sent to personal, family members, friends, members of the community, public, and even the corporations and businesses. Alright, the first paragraph of your letter can explain about the projects or matter in general. If you come from the same organizations or platform with the recipients, you can remind them or remind him or her the process you both have been passed, so it can be more touch and personal. Like this one, in this video, the writers has a strong relationship with Mr. Johnson, which is they have built the school or public school for the poor children. Well, the writers try to remind the process that they both have been passed together. And of course, he tried to give the information about the progress of the project that they have been made. Like this one. The sentence is, we have total 500 students in our school and we have provided educations to about 500 students till today. So it is about the progress of the project. And like this one, the number of the students to our school is still increasing year by year. Wow, it's a great progress and a great information. Then the second paragraph, you can directly tell your request, which is asking for donations, but you should not forget to mention the reason why you really need the additional money or funds. Of course, it is very important to give the clear reasons, the logical reasons why you need the donations. Especially when you ask for donations for a personal purposes, it should be clear what the monies will do and what the donation, where to whom the donation will be delivered. It must be clear, and please be honest for this, because maybe we can find a lot of people out there try to make some fraud by sending a donation letter to the personal purposes. So it's very bad. Just state the honest reasons why you need the donations, and of course deliver it to the right place and to the right person. Okay, like this one, in this video, the second part or the second paragraph, I directly tell the reason why I'm sending this letter, which is I would like to request the donations to the recipients, and I put the reasonable reasons, which is we have to build the extra classroom so that we can easily accommodate the increasing number of the students. Well, we have passed the verse and the second paragraph, so we are going to the third paragraph, which is it is the last part of the letter. In this case, you can conclude your intentions of writing this donation and give the reason why your donations is very important. Of course, you should not forget to say thanks for the recipient's help and attentions in reading and replying your letter. Please be polite and use a good word so your recipients will be interested to reply your letter, as well as giving the donation as your request. Well, like this one, I put the sentence which is tell that I'm really care with the recipients and really know who is. Like this one, I have heard about your interest in making essential contribution toward the betterment of the society. It is very interesting sentence that maybe can touch the recipient's heart to give the donations. And if it is possible, you can add a wise word that possibly can attract the recipient to participate in these donations or the event. Well, after completing the paragraph, it's better for you to read all the sentences and make sure that you don't make any mistakes. Then you can give the closing salutation with thank you, or maybe sincerely, respectfully, or many more, and give the informations of you or the writers. Like this one, put the complete name and your organizations or your positions on that organizations. Like this one, Joseph Walker as the headmaster of Walker Public School. And of course, give your signature. So this is all about donation letter. We hope that it can be useful for you and anything of your purposes. Thank you for watching and have a good day.